constantly asking ourselves and our peers challenging questions. Unit evaluation is our opportunity now to answer 10 important questions about the units that we're studying. By answering these questions, the university can make positive changes to our courses whilst we are studying here. And the more students respond, the more impact our feedback has. So use this opportunity to improve your UAL experience. You'll receive an email 1 week before the end of each unit. You'll also be able to access the survey via your course Moodle site. Open the link and complete the short online survey via your PC, your Mac or your mobile device. It'll only take a few minutes. Just bear in mind though that the survey is only open for 2 weeks each time, so make sure you respond straight away. The more constructive and useful our feedback is, the easier it is for the university to make direct improvements. So, how can we make sure then that our feedback is as constructive and as useful as possible? Try to avoid making vague comments like, "the unit was good" or "the seminar was rubbish." This doesn't exactly tell the person reading our comments why we think this. Instead, we should be trying to explain why we thought the unit was good or why we thought the seminar was rubbish. Point out the positives and the negatives. For example, we could say, "I thought the unit was good because there were lots of workshops, so it was really hands-on. But I thought the seminar could have been better if we discussed the set reading a bit more." Try to avoid comments that are unrealistic, like "the assessment should be scrapped." Whether we like them or not, assessments are an essential way of measuring our success and to help us to improve our work in the future. So we can't exactly scrap them, no matter how frustrating they might be. So instead, we should try to explain why we might have been frustrated. For instance, you could say, "the brief wasn't very clear, so I wasted time at the beginning trying to work out what I was meant to do." Avoid writing anything personal or offensive. Our course tutors and directors will read our comments, so you should think how you would prefer to receive negative feedback. Instead, give details about the problems so that the course team can understand and then make improvements. For example, we could say, "the photography session was difficult to follow as there were so many different techniques to grasp in such a short time." In any situation, if we think something's not working, the worst thing we can do is just criticize. Instead, we should be trying to offer up how we think it might be improved. So that means the course tutors can put into action our suggestions. For example, we could say, "it would be helpful to have the handouts for the lectures in advance, so we can get an idea of the topic before the session." When the survey closes, the course leaders will receive all the anonymous feedback and then post a response on Moodle, highlighting where they think they might be able to make positive changes to the courses. Course reps will also discuss the feedback at your courses committee meetings. It will also be included in your course's annual monitoring processes, and most importantly, UAL will directly act upon this data to improve our student experience. Unit evaluations give us a platform from which to speak. They're our chance to share with UAL what we think and make sure that we're part of the decision process. Log on to your university email, open the link, answer just 10 questions about the unit you have just studied. Take part in your unit evaluation and be part of your university. You all are UAL.